Today I'm unboxing some
Rubik's Cubes.
Yeah.
Careful, Mom.
It's packaged very well.
Yeah, it is. You excited? Okay. Let's just hope it wasn't a ripoff.
I got an email from the owner of the company. He was really nice.
Okay.
If you'd like to use
I'm gonna have to link in the description on where you got it from. Link in the description below. Some Mega Meats and stuff. Okay, you're gonna have to unbox all of this first.
Pear mix.
Let's just hope the
The
trash can
last
can
one is the
withstand.
4x4.
Okay. 3x3. Oh, what's that one?
The mirror cube.
Okay.
Oh boy.
First of all,
That's gonna
I'm
be
gonna
fun.
sew.
4x4.
Not sew.
Open.
I want to open up 3x3, so I'm gonna put these to the side.
Some sort of designer set or something. Ah, there it is. Well, there's the designer.
Right.
Doesn't have a name. Okay.
So we got instructions.
Don't worry, I'm not showing you face.
Questions.
Pretty good? Okay. Can you go ahead and solve that again?
I like it a lot. I'm really excited to do some solves. I see a cord cut. Little tiny bit of clean, but still good. I like it.
Okay. So is that the Pyraminx?
Yes, this is the pyramids.
Alright.
Questions.
We'll also link, like, what kit it was or whatever. Or at least I'll try to. Okay. Doesn't seem to stop up, so that's a good one.
I like it. Alright, so we unboxed the 3x3.
Okay, move to the 4x4.
4x4? Okay. 4, once again. Instructions.
Ooh, fancy.
Red color scheme. Okay. I know this is
Me over here trying to get it to where you can actually see, and then covering the camera with my hand.
Yeah. So,
Doing a classic mom move.
I like the turning. We'll stop it up a little bit, but I think it'll be good breaking down.
Okay. So what's that one?
Next one is going to be Ivy
Oh.
Oh, that is neat.
Oh, that looks cool.
New cuber, so
Interesting.
Oh wow.
Well, that one's gonna give you a challenge to go ahead and solve. There you go. Mom's got it now.
I'm really happy with that. Alright, so next one is going to be the Scoob.
Okay. Have you opened the Mega Minx already? Oh wait, no, it's over here.
Not really good at Scoobs or any puzzles.
You do realize I'm keeping like every little paper that's coming with it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Ooh.
Nice
Oh,
turning.
look what we got over here as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so guys.
Secret tutorials for Magic Cubes. Ooh.
I like the turning. Turning's pretty good.
Okay, so can we go ahead and open the mirror cube? You've already opened the one that was way too confusing for me, so yeah, I wonder what's gonna be in this one.
Confused, Tracy, so much. Yeah,
Yeah, you definitely are. You're trying to get a... Yes, that was me. Hit my knee on the counter. Anyways, got the 2x2 over here. He already has a 2x2. This one's gonna be a newer one, I guess. Oh no, it just came in the kit, so.
Alright.
Oh, you finally get it off?
Yeah, I finally got it.
Alright. Ooh, that looks like a mirror. What the? That's a good turning.
I like the turning.
Yeah.
And I like it. This is gonna be a really fun
Remind me,
puzzle.
I'm gonna get you a 17 by 17 probably. If that even exists.
It does.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm getting you a 17 by 17.
Yeah, I like the puzzle. I'm really excited to solve it on this thing. It's mirror cube.
Okay, can we go ahead and open up this? I want to leave this for the grand finale.
Yeah.
The Mega Mix. Sounds so fancy.
Oil. Take out the two bucks. These things are a lot more better than I expected it to be. I like their sticker lists and stuff. So, for turns, sounds is way more silent than the previous one. Locks up a little bit. Catches a little bit. But I think breaking in.
Okay, finally, we got the Mega Mix over here. So, what's this one? Oh,
It's a Mega Mix.
okay, so we got a Mega Mix here.
I like
It
the
looks
color.
so cool.
I like the color scheme a little bit.
Yeah, I like the color scheme.
Pink, red.
Okay, so how many sides does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 12?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Alright, so 4x4.
Alright.
I like 3x3 a lot. It's way better than this one. I just love. I just love getting into it. With clicking sound.
You're gonna be seeing these a lot in videos now.
Big mix.
This is my favorite one. You know what kind of cube I can solve very fast?
A 1x1.
Yep.
Yeah,
My brother is the
I will
cube.
probably stick to my main 2x2 this cube. Yeah, I'm confused with this one. Yeah, I'm new cuber by the way.
He's only had it for like 2 weeks now, maybe.
Yay.
Me over here just popping all the tutorials in the box. A very confusing cube.
Yeah, shit. So, my favorite cubes of all these has to be the 3x3.
What's gonna be the least favorite one that you gotta learn how to solve?
My least favorite one is the 2x2 because it's kind of, it sounds but it catches up way too much.
Alright. So the 2x2 is the one that's
Favorite one is 3x3. Mega Mix, I'm going to have fun solving this one.
yeah, you are.
This one, I won't try to get
You're gonna be up all night, and anytime you're in my house solving it, you'll just be like, I can just hear absolute silence, and then, what was it? Oh, well, I screwed this one up.
I'll solve in a minute.
What the? All this stuff
Mirror
is weird
cube,
and confusing.
I like the mirror cube a lot because it's a shape-shifting cube.
All of these cubes.
And I'm probably in love with shape-shifting.
Look at all of these cubes.
Yep.
So, This is what I'm gonna hear at night.
Thank you everyone for watching.